देश में कोरोना वायरस के मामले लगातार घटते जा रहे हैं। केंद्रीय स्वास्थ्य सचिव राजेश भूषण ने बताया कि देश में कोरोना वायरस के कुल एक्टिव केसेस घटकर फिलहाल 2,20,000 से कम रह गए हैं।
Active cases in the country continue to decline in a steady manner, and now the active cases are less than 2.2 lakhs. They are in fact 2,16,558 to be precise. So this kind of number we had seen last on 30th of June. So after 30th of June, the cases were climbing. Mid-September, cases reached a very high level, and from mid-September till date, the new COVID cases in the country or active cases in the country have continued to decline. So in a snapshot, we have 1.04 crore cases. Case per million is 7,593. Active cases, as I told you, are 2.16 lakhs. They are only 2% of the total COVID cases in the country, and even this percentage is coming down in a very rapid and significant manner. The deaths are 1,51,000. Deaths per million is 109. Tests, as we told you, are 18 crore plus, and test per million is 1,32,000 odd tests per million. Case positivity is coming down. If we look at cumulative case positivity, it is 5.7. If we look at last 1 week's case positivity, it is significantly lower, only 2%. If we look at case fatality rate, cumulative case fatality rate is 1.44, and last week's fatality rate is 1.2. There are only 2 states in the union now where we have more than 50,000 cases, active cases, and these 2 states are Kerala and Maharashtra.